Morning, guys. Welcome to Pro Traders of India. Bank Nifty is currently moving around our levels, and our levels higher level is around 30,780, and lower level is 30,670. It's just moving around at the same levels. We already took one trade and cleared, and we are waiting for another opportunity. We took this trade at 30,780, 790, and we booked profits, and we could have waited, but we thought that there is another support here we see in this level, so we booked it, but it is trying to break this level as well. Let's see if it is break. Definitely it will come to 30,670. If it comes to 30,670, as per option chain, we will analyze and we will take another trade, waiting for another opportunity. See, it is actually reversing, trying to reverse from the here. There is a support at 30,700. Yeah, let's see. Let's wait for another opportunity. I will update you guys in the Telegram group or in our meeting room. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel, Pro Traders of India, in YouTube, Telegram, and Twitter. Thank you.